Chief Gaines, you have over 600 documented rescues. That's pretty impressive.
Harrison said you're taking off with Blake for a few days.
Yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna drive her back up to school.
I can't believe she's in college already.
I know. Hey, honey.
Hi, Dad. Hi. Everything okay?
I wanted to tell you I was sorry for how I acted yesterday.
No, Ray, really.
No, Emma. Emma. Emma!
Oh, my God!
This whole chunk of land will be decimated.
Are you saying the whole San Andreas fault might go off?
Everybody down!
Yes, that's exactly what I'm saying.
We are going now!
I'd be safe from war if I was an island.
We can't stop it. We can't prepare for it.
California dreaming of
It will be a global event.
such a I love you, Dad.
Don't you quit on me!
I'll be safe from war.